Hey everybody, it's Mr. K. STEAM class starts this week, and I've got a really cool math game for you to play online at home so we can get caught up on some things that we might have missed at the end of last year. So this video is for 2nd and 3rd grade. I know you're ready to be back at school and out of the house, and I am too. Can't wait to see you guys, but we got to make the best of a really tough situation, and hopefully we'll be back at school sooner rather than later. But to show you this game, I want you to go to mathplayground.com. This is free. You don't have to have your email. You don't have to sign in. You don't have to subscribe to anything. You'll click on 2nd grade. So if you're going into 2nd grade or if you're going into 3rd grade, this is the game. These are the two games I'm going to show you, and especially how they're going to help you with practice. Now you can play any game on here. I don't care. But for the skill that your teachers are actually going to be working on in 2nd and in 3rd grade, you're going to be getting a review of addition to 10. If you're in 2nd grade, coming out of 1st, you're going to get a review of addition to 20 if you're in 3rd, coming out of 2nd. So these two games, Number Bonds 2 and Number Bonds 10 to 20, are going to be the two activities on here that will help you with some extra practice on that skill if you need a break or you want to do something fun and there's no grade involved here, but it'll help you with that, with what your teachers are going to be going over. Alright, so in Math Lines Addition or Number Bonds 10 to 20, you're going to hit start twice and it's going to get some really lame music that pops up. Okay, I'm going to pick 10. 10 is my target number, and then I'm going to turn this music off. Whew. Okay, so 10 is my target number, or down here in the corner, 10 is my sum. The object of the game is whichever sum you pick, if it's 11, 12, 20, doesn't matter, is to get rid of all the numbers before they make it all the way around the track to the end of the line. When the first number reaches the line, the end of the line, they all disappear and the game is over. So all you're having to do is think about, what does 9 need to make 10? Well, it needs a 1. Alright? And you can start at the front and scan your way around and find the number you're needing. Whatever strategy works the best for you. 7 needs 3, 8 needs 2, 6 needs 4, 9 needs 1. Now look, here's a bunch of 9s. I'm going to put this 9 right here with these other 9s just for a minute. I'll show you why when I get a 1. Alright, 6 needs 4, 3 needs 7, 9 needs, I'm going to put another 9 right there, 8 needs a 2, 9, 9, 6 needs a 4, 6 needs a 4, 2 needs 8, 8 needs 2, 2 needs 8. Now, here's why I put all of those 9s together. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 9s all lined up, and if I hit one of them with my 1, they all disappear and I get 10 points for each number. 7 9s and 1 1. So that's a total of 80 points. And you get rid of a bunch in that line. Alright? If you start running out of time or space, you can get rid of numbers until you come across one that you need. But that's not a great strategy because you'll still wind up running out of time. So really try hard to shoot the numbers as best you can. When this stage is over, like I said in this game, when this stage is over, there's 2 more and they get a little bit more difficult. So you can use the stack the numbers and stack the number strategy. See, here's I've got 3 9s. I'm going to put my 9s right there. I've got 2 3s. Well, I can shoot that 7. 2 needs 8. 1 needs 9. Now I can get rid of all 3 of those 9s. 4 needs 6. 4 needs 6. 7 needs 3. 5 needs 5. Don't have any 5s. 3 needs 7. 2 needs 8. And 3 needs 7. Beat it. Alright, now you can kind of see how the track is a little bit different. Okay, so if I see a 4 right here, I've got to shoot it before it gets to right around here, or I'm going to miss. Alright, so 5 needs a 5, and you just keep trying to get rid of this string. I can't see a 5. Alright, well then I'm going to try to get rid of this because I don't need it. That's Miss Garrett. They're getting your supplies ready to hand them out in the drive-thru. And I'm trying to make a video. Great day. Keep getting all these text messages. Alright, I'm going to shoot this coin right here and see what it does. Now what that does is it turns all my colors so that I can find a red 9, 2, 8, a blue 8. See how my match is the same color now, so it's kind of a help to get rid of a couple more at once. Alright, so you'll get rid of these. Once you get rid of these, you can see how many you have left to get rid of before going to the next stage. I don't really want to get rid of all these. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other game. But there's one more stage after this, and you can play as long as you want. Alright, so I'm going to go back out to 2nd grade. And I'm going to scroll down here to Number Bonds 2. Alright, so in Number Bonds 2 it works a lot like the last game. It doesn't matter which number you pick. You can pick 10, and that's what I'm going to do for this also. But you're wanting to connect the 4 with the 6, the 7 with the 3. Here's how you make it work. It can turn 1 time, or it can have 2 turns between numbers, but it cannot have 1, 2, 3 turns to get to a number. So at the most you can turn twice. Let me turn this music off real quick. I'll pick 10 again. Okay, so 10 is my target number, and I'm picking those same combinations, but now you're kind of just trying to find where can you connect the dots. So 6 can go up, turn once, turn a second time, and go down to 4 and get rid of it. Alright, so 6 and 4 I know is a combination that makes 10. Okay, but here's a 6, and I can go down and turn once and get to this 4, but it doesn't make it disappear because there's numbers in between these two, no matter which way I try it. Same thing with 9 and 1. See, they're almost right by each other, but since this 7 and this 3 are between it, it's not working. So I can get rid of that. 8. Now the 9 and 1 will work. 7 and 3. Try to find the ones that are right next door to their neighbor number that makes 10. Eight and 2, 7 and 3, 9 and 1. Okay. 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 8 and 2, 9 and 1, 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 9 and 1, 7 and 3, 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 5 and 5, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 5 and 5, 9 and 1. Alright, 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Now, stars. Connect the stars. Watch what happens when I connect the stars. So I can go over. It'll turn once. Wait a minute, let me get rid of that. Alright, so it's going to go up this way and turn. Everything is matching. The colors match. So all I have to do is connect 6 and 4, purple and purple, purple and purple, but not 3 and 3. Obviously that won't work. Try to do it before they change colors back. Get rid of as many of them as you can. And that's about the best time I've had so far. So I've played this several times. Once you get done playing this game, or watching the video and at least finding out where the game is and how you can get to it, you can drop into the WebEx meeting and we can share screens and maybe you can kind of compete against me and we'll race. See who can get rid of the numbers the quickest. So remember to have fun and look forward to seeing y'all in the WebEx meeting. Talk to you later.